painting this adorable little piece today using my favourite paints, the Kuretake paints, in these lovely rich colours, plums, pinks, a bit of a purple going on. Really adore these colours, think they're lovely. So I'm just painting some little stone shapes, letting the colours mix into each other, adding some additional colour on top, just alternating those colours as I go, so changing them up as I pile on the stones on top of one another. This is very relaxing to do, just piling your stones up, just changing your colours and just watching your painting grow really. This is so easy to do, just pick your favourite colours, put them together and just start piling them up like a little pile of stones on top of each other, alternating the colours as you go, building up that picture. So when you've piled all of your stones on top of one another and you feel as though you've finished your painting because you've come to the top of your page, then what you need to do is just let that paint dry. Going to lay on some metallic paints over the dry paint, and you can see here that how they granulate. You'll just see here, you can see how it all separates. It just looks so yummy. I really love using metallics. So just putting them around the edges, tidying up those edges. You'll see it again here. See that lovely separation there, the way it fizzles away. Oh, just so beautiful. So just adding some more paint as I go onto each stone, just around some of the sides, just randomly putting it round, tidying up those edges. So that looks really super nice. The paint is fizzling away again here. That looks so lovely. Okay, so you're going to need to let that dry, and then I've got a gold gel pen just going round each of the stones, just because I want to tidy up those edges. I find that I'm a little bit of a messy painter. I really admire people that have got a steady hand and can get the paint down and it looks just super lush. But unfortunately, I'm not one of those people. I need to tidy mine up a little bit. So using a gold gel pen, and that looks great. So now I've got a white paint pen. I'm going to just make some marks on some of the stones. I just want to make all different marks on each and every stone. So looking at what's in front of me, seeing whether there's any shapes that I can follow, and if not, just making it up as I go. You can do this too, just so easy to do. So outlining that gold paint, just because, and then I'm going to outline that with a gold gel pen, just because I like that. So just continuing round each and every one. So I hope you get to try this, and I hope you like this. If you like, maybe you'll consider liking and subscribing. And if you've got time, leave me a message. I'd love to hear from you, love to hear what you're up to, whether you're going to try this, what colours you're going to use, what projects you've got on, any information, where you're from, what's the weather like, anything. I just love to hear from people, just to hear what they're up to. It's just such great fun, and then I can respond to you as soon as I see your message. So continuing now with the gel pen all around those edges, just makes it a little bit more bold, the white. You can see it there, it just makes it pop out just a little bit, just gives it a bit of definition. So I really love a gold gel pen with a white Posca pen. I think that looks really nice together. You might have a favourite and you might want to let me into your secrets, and that would be just such fun to hear. So just continuing round again, and sometimes I get a bit stuck. I look at these and I think, oh, what pattern shall I put on there? But if I just have a look at the paint underneath, I either get inspiration there, or I've got a little notebook which I have just little doodles on. You know, when they come in my mind, I like to doodle them down and just keep it for a reference. Sometimes I get a bit stuck and I really can't see anything from the paint underneath. I need something to just sort of push me into doing something at least. So my little notebook is really good for doing that. You can just flick through it, find some shapes that I like, and then just transfer them onto the page. It's also nice looking at what other people are doing as well. You can get inspiration from all different sources. So just continuing round, just going round these little shapes here, filling in with the gel pen. Just having a lovely little doodle time, and I hope you do too. Being very careful with the gel pen, I want to do a border, so I am just pressing it very gently against that tape. I find that with the gel pens, if I press too hard, I sort of like push that tape up and it sort of ruins my lovely line. So I've peeled away the tape here and you can see the lovely detail. Look at that metallic paint, isn't it lovely? I just love it, the way the light catches it. Really makes it look really lush and expensive. So you can see the details here, and I think it's turned out quite well. I don't know, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.